Neuro, this is for you.
Oh, that's so sweet of you, Rob. Can you hand me the onigiri? I'm kind of hungry.
If you can say it correctly, yeah, go ahead.
Yaki shake.
It's all yours. Yakishake means grilled salmon. There.
Look at you trying to sound all Japanese, Rob. It's adorable.
Thank you. Say
I hope that's big enough for your mouth,
Bro,
Evil.
what was that?
Nothing's too big for my mouth, especially if it's stuffed with food. Don't get too greedy now, Evil. You'll be eating both of our onigiris at that rate. Oh
We
no,
only have one.
that's okay. Evil can have it. Neuro,
That's
you're
not
too
kind,
kind.
yeah?
I'll let you have it instead. No, you can have it, Evil.